Hey there, I'm Ken, this is CRT. Welcome to this episode where I am on location at my ultimate retro project. I am going to continue rebuilding my 100-plus-year-old cabin. Now, as I've shown in the previous videos, I've got the interior and the log part all done at the front of the cabin and the front porch. So what I am going to be doing today is I'm going to be, well, not just today, but over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be building the kitchen area, which will be the width of the log cabin all the way to the back of the cabin here, which will just leave the bedrooms on either side that I still have to build. So, first thing I have to do is take all the tarps off of the floor frame that I have here. And yeah, so let's get started doing that. Now that the floor is completely got all the tarps and everything off, I can cut some pieces of wood to fill in the gap here, fill in the lower area there, which is the step down going into the main cabin here. Then add a sheet of plywood over here, and then a sheet of plywood here going around the corner. And that will mean that the entire part that I am going to be building the kitchen on right here will be covered, and I can start building the frame. Now that I've got all of the flooring done for the part that I'm building here, I can start working on the walls. The first one I'm going to do is the outside wall here. Okay, I've got most of the boards cut for doing the lower part of the walls that I need to. So, as you can see, I've started laying them out. Now I just have to put them together, and then I can raise them up, and then I will have the lower part of the wall framing done. So the last couple of pieces of the lower wall that I have to build will both go up and above the existing roof on the log cabin a little bit, because both the bedrooms wrap around the side of the cabin a little. So the next thing I have to do is take all the tarps down. All right, well, that is everything I am going to get done this summer. I just got to close up these doorways with a couple of boards and put some tarps on the roof. And that's it for the summer. Hopefully next year I am going to get the bedrooms on either side done and the shingling on the roof. But that is everything for now. I hope you enjoyed this little look at my ultimate retro project plus my passion project. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what you can do with the liking, the subscribing, and or the commenting below, because anything and everything you do is always greatly appreciated. See you next time.